so weird. Mira que greñuda. Ay, Dios mío. I think I'm gonna have to put my hair up. Because this is like... I'm too greñuda here. I'm way too greñuda. What was I gonna say? Happy Monday. Today's Monday. I have the day off. It's Martin Luther King Day. I just want to... I one time saw a post, and it was somebody I kind of like knew. What is that, a bug on my... This is a weird bug on my windshield. It's like white, yellowish, see-through. Oh my god, I kind of want to show you guys this bug, but hopefully it doesn't leave by the time I'm done. Well, anyways, that post was like, oh my god, thank you Martin Luther King for the day off. And I was like, I don't think his purpose was to give us a day off. Like, I don't think that's what he was aiming for. I swear to God, people, I don't want to swear to God. I'm sorry, God, for using your name in vain, but some people are just too much. They are way too much. This car just trying to pull up. Anyways, I'm going off the rails. So today I have the day off. I have a few things I want to do. I want to get my nails done. I need a fill. You guys kind of see? I need like a little fill. I don't know what color to get. I kind of want like an emerald green, but the last time I went to the place I go to, they didn't have any emerald green. I was like, what? Well, what is it right now? Like springtime, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. That's even if I go. But I'm on my way to Fontana right now to get my eyebrows done with my eyebrow girl, because I really don't go with anybody else. Because I don't trust them. I don't trust them enough. And then before I go there, I'm gonna go to Kohl's to return an Amazon package, that pot plant that was way too big. I'm returning that. And then I'm gonna see if I can buy, like at Ross, a little mount for my phone so I could like talk to you guys in my car. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And then maybe come home and have, I told my husband if he wanted me to make him some chicken Alfredo, because my chicken Alfredo is so bomb. I should probably do a video on how I make it. It's really easy. But yeah. And he was like, no, you know what? I'm kind of like up to here with food. Like, I want to kind of just like have some pho or something. And I was like, okay, you want to go have pho? We can go have pho. But yeah, that's what I had planned to do on my day off. Not really doing much. But I think I'll take you guys along. And the bug is still here. So let's look. Yeah, no. You can't see the bug. I can't capture it good enough, I guess. But it's weird looking. And just staring at it. And it's staring at me. And we're like... Anyways. Let me bring you guys along. Hopefully I could record like me driving, but I can't because no tengo nada con que. So I left my tripod at home. But I want one of those like suction things. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Vámonos. Vámonos. So, I should probably be having a healthier breakfast, pero Ugh, I don't like this one. What did I get? Oh, smoked butterscotch. It's not very sweet, and I like my coffee sweet. Whatever. Anyways, I have like a couple minutes, like 5 minutes to spare before I have to drive now to Fontana. I came to a shopping center on my way to my eyebrow girl. I went into Kohl's to return that stuff I bought on Amazon, my planter that was too big, or my plant stand. Oh yeah, this is always good. This never disappoints. It's the smoked cheddar or whatever. Sausage and egg and cheddar, yeah. And I'm so mad because I could have gone to Panera, man. They have so much better like breakfast and stuff. And I was like, I don't really know the area too good here, so I was like, wow, on my way into a little shopping center where Kohl's is, I saw that there was a Starbucks. I was like, I guess I'll have a Starbucks bath. So I'm having a quick bite. So I have to drive over there because I'm hungry. But something kind of odd. So when I go to return, I usually buy stuff on Amazon a lot, you know, and I get it and it's not really what I expected, whatever. I return it to a Kohl's, and esta vez was a little weird because I usually go to the Kohl's in Walnut, and they never give me like any issues. Like I always like give them my package, even if it's not in the box or in the bag, and all they ask me is like, is there any damage? And I always say no, and they say okay, and they scan my stuff. And this time here, they're like, oh, is there any damage? They started asking me all these questions. Like she asked me like 2 other questions. I forgot what the last one was, and then because by the time she asked me the last one, I was like, I kind of like made a face, and she kind of was like, well, but she asked me like, is there any damage? And then she said, why are you returning this item? And I'm like, what is that? Like what? Like it threw me so off guard because they normally never ask me anything other than if there's any damage, but whatever. But I really want to start getting better with my eating habits because estoy bien chonchita, and even though I like don't really mind, like I have body image like complex or whatever you want to call it, but I should be eating better. But this is so damn good. Anyways, I couldn't really record myself driving over here because I don't have a mount, and I'm trying to not kill anybody by holding the phone while I'm driving. Okay. Well, let me give you guys a close-up of my eyebrows before I go in. So, I'll show you the after. After. Okay, well, yeah, let me finish eating and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I am done with my eyebrows. I love how she does my eyebrows. Like, she does a really good job. I've been going with her for years, but then I took a break because it's kind of far from my house. But then I really, really regretted it because where I went, they took out all my little baby hairs up here, and my eyebrow literally began like right here. They took all this off, so my eyebrow was like, and I was like, oh my god, no. I was like, no. I'll drive those 33 miles to get my eyebrows done with Jen. Like, you know? But anyways, I'm out. I'm gonna go back home now. From Fontana to La Puente. It's about a 40-minute drive. And yeah, so I'm done out here in the IE. My husband was doing a load in Fontana, and He's like, do you want to meet up for lunch? And I was like, well, okay. It's always nice to have like lunch, you know, with your husband. But then he called me back. He said he got another load, so he'll just see me at home later on for fa. So yeah, let's get going. And bye-bye. Came real quick here to Walmart to get some vinyl for my husband's truck. I need to make him a sign, but there's none of the, they have yellow, but it's the removable kind, and that's not what I'm looking for. I want the permanent one. So I guess I'm gonna have to go to Michael's. I have no other choice. I really didn't want to go somewhere else, pero pues ni modo. But since I'm here, let me check out their garden lights. Let's see what they got. I also want to make a sign for my kitchen. So I went to Hobby Lobby next door and they had frames like this or wood stuff like this for, I think like 14 bucks. But with the 40% off coupon, it might be a little bit cheaper. But I want a sign like this so I can make it with my Cricut machine to say Pancita llena, corazón contento for my kitchen. So I'm thinking if this one would work. But I don't know because it's kind of like texturized. And I don't know if the vinyl is gonna stick good to it. So it has to be like smooth. They have this one for like $6. Let me show you. But I have to stain it because I don't like this color. I want it to be like a dark wood. So let's keep looking. They have these nice rugs here. It's a 4x6. They're $18. This one's really pretty. I like that one. The other ones are okay, but those two in the front are really pretty. They're not solar powered. And those are the ones I want. They're actually way cheaper than Target. But I want the solar ones, so maybe they have them over here. But these are like the ground ones. Ooh. They have nice plant stands here too. Almost pretty. I think I got bit by something because my leg is itchy. This one's really pretty too. Look at that. It's $5. No tienen las luces que quiero.